Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us today. I'm Bob Batelson, team leader from Global Consulting with Sophion Corporation. For those of you who are not familiar with Sophion, we're a software and services provider delivering solutions for enterprise innovation management. We have over 16 years of experience partnering with leading innovators like PepsiCo, Procter & Gamble, Land O'Lakes, Parker Hannifin, Merck, and Honeywell. We work with them to automate their new product development, execute innovation strategy and business transformation with speed and agility, and improve overall innovation performance. So enough about us. It's no secret companies invest large amounts of time, energy, and capital in creating new products and bringing them to market. What's shocking is that 1 out of every 3 new products are a commercial failure. Today, we are pleased to have Laura Drake, a portfolio commercialization analyst with the JM Smucker Company, join us to talk how the innovation journey at Smuckers has matured, dramatically increasing the likelihood of product success, revenue, and profit. With that, I'll let you take it from here, Laura.
Awesome. Hello. As Bob said, my name is Laura Drake, and today I get to share some really exciting things happening at the JM Smucker Company. I will focus on how we've been able to implement process enhancements to drive value for our business. So to lay a foundation before jumping into the meat of the presentation, JMS is in the consumer packaged good industry and has brands I'm sure many of you interact with on a regular basis. We've expanded the portfolio drastically from our traditional jams and jellies, now playing in multiple categories such as coffee, peanut butter, nut mixes, and even pet food and pet snacks. Our corporate headquarters are in Orrville, Ohio, and we primarily do business in the United States. However, we do sell internationally in Canada, Mexico, and China. Including our plants, we have nearly 8,000 employees and have an annual revenue of about $8 billion. Also, we started working with Sophion about 5 years ago. So where does the portfolio commercialization and management team fit into the big picture? So this slide is a summary of our group's org chart. So as you can see, portfolio management lives within our growth and innovation team. My role is within the outlined box, portfolio commercialization and management. Our team reports to the Vice President of Commercial Activation, who reports to the President of the Growth and Innovation team, and he reports directly to our CEO. I'll also return to this slide a little later, because our org design has played a key role in user adoption of the processes and systems. Specifically, each strategic business area or group of business areas has a portfolio manager. So coffee and away from home have 1, pet has 1, and consumer foods and natural foods have 1. Canada and international live outside of our group. So the project managers that support those businesses report directly to the portfolio managers. And the portfolio managers report to the same vice president that is supporting our portfolio commercialization and portfolio management initiative. So now to talk about how we are currently tracking project data and accomplishing both gate and portfolio management. So in terms of the projects that we typically track, here are the different classes. So we have innovation, new items, renovation, changes to existing items, cost savings, displays, graphics only, and technology projects. We take the innovation and renovation projects through the stage gate process, and those projects are shared at gate reviews. For all projects, we understand the need for project maintenance in order to properly manage dates and data for reporting purposes. But even more than project maintenance, there is a huge necessity to answer the questions. What are we working on? Is it worth our time? What is it costing us? When will it launch? And what does our portfolio mix look like? Essentially, all the questions that arise when we start to think about gate and portfolio management. As I mentioned, we follow a stage gate process here at JMS, and we rely on the information within Accolade to generate portfolio reports and portfolio roll-ups. We also use Accolade to support our project maintenance. We use an Excel-based timeline as a template that is integrated with the system. As for our users, we have about 400 from various groups, including marketing, R&D, finance, project managers, and operations. So this next slide outlines in more detail our gate and portfolio management processes. Gate, the blue side, focuses on project strategic fit and looking at common project financials. And portfolio, the purple side, for ensuring strategic alignment, resource management, and obtaining a balanced mix of projects. So displayed here is our meeting cadence, starting with the project team meetings that are led by the project manager and occur as needed. Then on a monthly basis, each business goes to a technical readiness and a commercial readiness review. These meetings are led by the portfolio managers and are intended to be prep meetings for the gate review. The purpose of these meetings is to identify key issues and risks and align on a commercial or a technical status going into the gate. That way, there are no surprises at the gate, and the gate review can really be run as efficiently as possible. There's no need to review all the project details, just share a quick update on where the team is from a commercial, technical, and financial perspective, and make a decision. So that covers the first part, or the gate management portion of our meeting cadence. So let's continue. Following the gate review, monthly, or some businesses do bi-monthly, the portfolio managers hold a business unit portfolio review. Once a quarter, this data includes enterprise roll-ups and innovation updates as well. During those same quarters, the data is shared with our enterprise leadership team, including our CEO. We also do a pipeline review for our shared service teams on a quarterly basis. This helps groups such as creative services, regulatory, legal, and our item data management team have some visibility to what work is going on so they can manage their capacity and initiate conversations about any constraints when necessary.